everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am doing a makeup recreation. In today's video I am recreating Jade's makeup from Little Mix's new music video, Heartbreak Anthem. Hello, it's me, your ex. Do I look like Jade in that video? If you are subscribed and you saw my reaction to the music video, you will know I was like, oh my god, I need to recreate that look. Got on Amazon, I bought a wig. I know this is a B-Tech version of her wig, I know that. I tried to curl it, it didn't work. So if you like the look of this and you like the song, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed with the notification bell on because I upload once or twice a week depending on how busy I am. Come and follow me on TikTok. There's nearly 170,000 of us over there now. It is crazy. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, we're going to prime the skin. Wow, it's like literally two different people. We're going to cover up those bags. Oh yes, let's get rid of those. Brighten up under the eyes. Then we are going to use these two foundation shades. I have a bigger pump of the darker one and a slightly smaller pump of the lighter one. And then I am putting this brightening concealer in these places just to brighten up like the centre of my face and under my eyes. And blend that all in. Have a little sing song. And once we've done that, I'm going to use the loose powder just to set everything into place. And I used to bake with a sponge, but now I'm just using the brush as I feel it gives my skin a better finish, less dry and all that jazz. Then I'm just using a little bit of bronzer because it didn't really seem like her skin was like contoured. It was more focused on the blush from what I could see, but her nose did look contoured, so I am focusing that on the nose, a little bit under the jawline as well. I'm using this Animal Crossing blush to really get those cheeks nice and blushy. The cheeks was like stunning and pink and gorgeous, so I am doing that, just really building up the colour, a little bit on the nose as well. And then I'm going to take the white shade in this Technic highlighting palette little quad, and then I'm going to focus this on the apples of my cheeks, take it up my cheekbones, kind of give myself a little like highlight moustache there, love that, and then up the nose and in between the brows as well. And then I'm going to set that into place. It was running out, okay, it's running out, and it literally just put like bubbles of setting spray on my face, so I love that for me. Moving on to the eyes, this is one eye done, so we're going to prime as always, and then going to just basically use the blusher. Nice and simple, nice and easy, and so that the colours tie into each other as well. Once we have blended that on our eyes, and moving on to this Morphe palette and taking a slightly more deep mauve in the outer corner, and then with this So Jaded palette I'm taking this shade first and then following it with the other one. I can't see the names quick enough, but it's like a little glittery shimmer first and then more of a shimmer shade without the glitter particles in it, and then just doing a little blend and then taking the blusher on the like outer quarter of the eye, not taking it all the way across, and then the same deeper shade as well. And then I'm using this highlight shade just to highlight the inner corner, and then I'm dragging it down kind of like to almost meet the colour underneath the eye, and then highlighting the brow bone, having a little blend, and then I'm going to my Vive palette. No, I will never take that off. I will not take that off. And then I'm going to just take this brown shade just under the eye, as we're not actually putting anything on the bottom waterline. So I've tight lined my eyes with a black eyeliner, and it's pretty grim, so I went past it quite quick. So here I'm doing my brows. Jade's brows are fuller than mine. Mine are basically tattooed, and I have like 3 hairs, so hers are like beautifully fluffed out and everything, but I have to do that with a pencil. I didn't actually show you which pencil it is, I think just like an eyeliner one. Then I'm using this eyeliner from Makeup Revolution just on the, well, it's basically just taking it across the lid, no wing or anything. This is just for the lashes to sit on. So then I'm using my Technic Skinny Mascara, and then these lashes I actually got from this set from Wish, and they're really like spiky, so it looks really good, and bam, you know that I love that transition. And I'm gonna just basically kind of tweezer them together, pinch them together to make them a little bit more spiky like hers were. I think the one on my right eyes actually looks a bit fuller than the other side, but anyway. Then for under the eyes, these are just like £1 individual lashes, which I got from Primark, and I cut them up and I actually used these for the Ellie Diamond drag look that I did. So I just put 4 of those under the eye to make this gorgeous like baby doll, I just love it. And then for lips, Kiko, it's upside down so you can't even see it, but those are the lip liners I'm using. And then I'm using like it's actually a kind of lip balm gloss on top. I'm just going to overline my lips, as Jade has fuller lips than I do, but I don't want to do it so much that it doesn't look, you know, I don't want it to look too fake and over the top, so I'm just doing it like at the limit for me, you know. Keep them nice and full, and then I'm going in with the other colour just to keep it nice and pink, and then taking this pink gloss over the top, which I thought fit really nicely. Here we go. Yes, pose, love it. Okay, now for the hair, let's go. Who is she? I don't even know her. No, like literally, who is she? I have no idea. But yeah, there we are. That's that, and I hope you love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed this look and enjoying a moment of blonde Hannah. This will be the only moment. But I really hope you liked this. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed with that notification bell on, because I upload once or twice a week depending on how busy I am. And make sure you follow me on TikTok, because as I said, there are so many of us there now. So come and say hi. I'm absolutely obsessed with this look on Jade and the blonde wig. I just think that all the girls look beautiful in the music video, and I just thought that I had to do it. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.